Hey there, health enthusiasts. Ever wonder if those passionate kisses with your partner could actually be good for you? Well, I've got some good news. They are. Let's dive into the surprising health benefits of passionate kissing. First up, emotional bonding. Kissing your partner isn't just fun and pleasurable. It's a crucial part of physical intimacy that helps maintain a sense of togetherness and love. It's like glue for your relationship. Next, stress reduction. When you kiss someone you love, your brain releases calming chemicals, neurotransmitters that reduce stress levels and soothe your mind. Feeling stressed? Try a kiss. Now, let's talk about foreplay. Deep kissing can often lead to sexual intercourse, which, according to various studies, is fantastic for both your physical and mental health. Regular sex is known to protect against stress and depression. So, keep the passion alive. Did you know kissing can also give you a metabolic boost? That's right, kissing burns kilojoules. The more passionate the kiss, the greater the metabolic boost. So it's a fun way to keep those calories in check. Here's a surprising one, a healthier mouth. Saliva contains substances that fight bacteria, viruses, and fungi. Deep kissing increases the flow of saliva, which helps keep your mouth, teeth, and gums healthy. Who knew kissing was good for dental hygiene? And finally, increased immunity. By kissing, you get exposed to germs that inhabit your partner's mouth. It might sound gross, but this actually strengthens your immune system. It's like a little workout for your body's defenses. So there you have it. Passionate kisses are not just a delightful experience, but they come with a host of health benefits. Next time you lock lips, remember it's good for your body and soul. Until next time, stay healthy and keep kissing.